If you want to delete an Evernote notebook, I'll show you the fastest way to do it step by step. Whether you're using Evernote on Windows, Mac, or in your browser, the process is simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. First, open the Evernote app on your computer or sign in to Evernote Web in your browser. Once you're in, look for the Notebook section in the left sidebar. This is where all of your notebooks are stored, so it's the starting point for deleting the one you no longer need. Now find the notebook you want to remove. On Windows, right-click the notebook name to open the Options menu. On Mac, you can hold the Control key and click the notebook, or right-click it if you're using a mouse with that function enabled. If you're using Evernote on the web, click the More Actions button, which is usually the three dots in the notebook header at the top of the note list. Once the menu appears, look for the option that says Delete Notebook. Click it to begin the removal process. Evernote will then show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to delete it. This is an important step because deleting a notebook also affects the notes inside it. To finish, click Delete in the confirmation window. After that, the notebook will be removed from your account and the notes inside it will be sent to trash. That means the notebook itself is gone, but your notes may still be recoverable for a short time from the trash folder if you need them later. Before you confirm, it's always a good idea to double check that you're deleting the correct notebook, especially if it contains important notes. If you only want to organize your workspace, sometimes renaming or moving notes is a better option than deleting the entire notebook. But if you're sure you no longer need it, this is the cleanest way to remove it, and that's it. You've successfully deleted an Evernote notebook. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Evernote tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with anything else in Evernote. Thanks for watching.